Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the JG Scout. This is the Jason Guthrie Scout here with me for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like this video. Maybe if you're in a good mood, consider to subscribe to the channel because that's gonna help me a lot. So here we have this little fella over here, comes with this pretty fuzzy interior pouch, maybe leather, maybe not, but it's nice. And then this guy comes with the certificate of authenticity, and you can see the model, the materials, and the date. And then you find this pretty cool frame lock right over here. We're gonna check the size. Right now, overall length is gonna be 7.5 inches, 3-inch long cutting edge, and the blade would be 4.3 inches, which in centimeters translate into 19 for the overall length, 7.7 for the cutting edge, and 11 for the handle. And here you see you have the JG Scout, Jason Guthrie, South African custom knife maker Scout. Frame lock, titanium with carbon fiber and copper shred scale, like 6 speed holds on the show side and 3 on the scale side. You've got some pretty cool M390 steel. Like this blade is so thin that is not even funny, guys. Like it's crazy. Like there's like 3 things that I love about this one. I mean, the look, it's probably it's growing on me because I'm usually not attracted to speed holds in the handle, but in this case, I mean, the Ergos are just fantastic. I really love this area over here. I love the jimping, I love this blade shape, but the slicing capabilities are just phenomenal. And this guy is running on Teflon washers. Maybe you can actually see them like from this perspective, and this is gonna be like super smooth knife. Like I mean, this guy has only one method of deployment, which is like just a thumb stud like that, and it's just firing like crazy. Really, really cool, and just closing, you know, with a buttering smooth action. Let's quickly check the weight because this guy is pretty light. I mean, carbon fiber, you've got titanium, so look at this. 2.74 ounces in the pocket. This is gonna be fantastic in the summer. You've got a titanium tip-up carry only pocket clip, which is gonna show this much knife out of your pocket, and then the tip-up carry only, of course. Then you've got this blade, I mean, M390 steel, fantastic jimping, one thumb stud. You've got a hardened stop pin, ceramic detent ball. You've got the GTI lock, which is the Guthrie tungsten insert in the lock, which is, maybe you can see it kind of like from this angle over here. Really, really cool. You've got some nice and simple construction, just 2 screws for the handle, 1 pivot screw right over here, and it's pretty easy to take down, disassemble, maintain, and take care of this little puppy over here. Really, really a cool one. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.